What's going on, guys? Got a couple things I'm going to be trying for you today. We've got Deep Indian Kitchen Spinach Paneer. Comes with turmeric rice and then cheese and spinach, obviously. So this is deep Indian cuisine. So microwave it. Bloop, bloop. Rice got hammered, but it's hot. So, the rice, spinach paneer. Oh, that's steaming like a mother. It's probably gonna burn me. Rice not too crazy. It's a little rubbery, but what do you expect cooking in the microwave? Gonna give that one 6.5. This next one we've got is tikka masala paneer. So this one's from Trader Joe's, and then it comes with a spinach balsamic rice. Cook it exactly the same. So about 4.5 minutes on total cook time. So this is basically paneer cheese and a marsala sauce. And then the rice is obviously a lot better because it's not all rubbered up. Gonna give that one 7.75. So the win's gonna go to Trader Joe's. They do a really good job on the rice. So, and then my last thing I'll be trying is these Wild Mike's stuffed cheesy bread bites. So, pretty much already comes pre-made, and they're stuffed with jalapenos and cheese. Oh yeah. Look at this, beautiful. Nom 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 nom. Those are bomb. Oh, like jalapeno poppers, kinda. Gonna give that one 8.75. If you guys see these, definitely try those. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope the video wasn't too long. Check it out. Give me a like if you want. Peace out. Thanks for watching.